晚上好. Today we're going to write an essay. So before we start writing, I want you to have a look at the criteria, okay, the banding. So in order to get 10 to 12 band, so this is what you have to achieve. First, you have to complete all tasks in the required level of detail, okay? All tasks as in all the 5 questions. 看到吗? A 到 E, A to E, all questions. You have to answer them. Then B, the second bullet point, provides consistently relevant information and opinions. So you have to write things that is related, it's relevant. So this essay is writing about weekend. Don't write something nonsense, okay? Something that is not related. Now, next one. Meaning is clear and communication is achieved. Although there may be some linguistic inaccuracies. So if you're not really good or not really confident in writing, just use simple and clear sentence. So some linguistic inaccuracies is actually accepted because you're just taking it as foreign language. 好，下一个 uses straightforward vocabulary and structure. See? This is what I mentioned just now. You have to be straightforward vocabulary and structures. Then the last one is links words and phrases using a range of simple connectors. So simple connectors, see, 看这里 example of linking words and phrases. 和还是或者但是因为然后 So these are the linking words. I know most of you use and, right? 和 but not to use too many and in a sentence. Okay? Because you guys really love to use and whatever. And 我和妈妈和哥哥和弟弟 too many 和 in a sentence. So that is not a good sentence. Now these bands 7 to 9, okay, completes most tasks. Most tasks, which mean, you see here, the guidance here is 3 to 4 tasks. You did not complete all the tasks. Okay, so you will drop to 7 to 9 bands. If a candidate has completed most tasks rather than all, but the 10 to 12 descriptors are the best fit in other respects, then the answer can, in theory, access the lower end of the 10 to 12 band. So which means you are very good in writing. Your sentence is really nice, really perfect, and everything fits all the question. But you did not complete all the tasks. So the max we can give you is 10 to 11. You won't get full marks for that. Now, next one. On the contrary, if they complete all tasks without submitting much detail, they will drop to the 7 to 9 band. So without submitting much detail means, okay, you did not elaborate. Let's say, 你周末喜欢做什么? You just answer, 我周末喜欢看电影. Finish. 你和谁一起过周末? 我和妈妈一起过周末. 下个周末你会去哪里? 下个周末我会去星巴克. Okay, so it's a basic Q&A. So that is not considered as a good essay. So it might make you, it might drag you, okay, to drop to the 7 to 9 band. Okay, now next one, word count. And here you see, if you are giving very short answers, which is under 40 characters long, the maximum you can get here is only 6 marks. 只有6分, 6 marks. If a response is between 40 to 75, you see, not even reach 80, not even 80. A max of 11 marks can be awarded. Okay, next part, pinyin. Occasional use of pinyin will not affect, okay, will not affect marking for communication, but for essay written predominantly in pinyin, which means the whole essay, like 80%, 70% is full of pinyin, this must be taken into account for marks. Which means no matter how good your essay is, you also won't get very high mark because you wrote too many pinyin. Okay, so some important notes here that I always remind you. First, I will advise you to write about 2 paragraphs, 2段, yeah, 1 to 2 paragraphs. Then, this is also very important. You need to leave 2 empty boxes before starting a paragraph. So many of you actually forgot to do that. It's actually the same for writing essay in English. You have to leave some space, right? But for Chinese, we have boxes.
Bye-bye.